to.
Men, patawa-tawa lang kanina si Few, pero yung laro niya kanina hindi nakikipagbiruan. 5-1 and 15 in terms of performance. You were talking about the Luyi kanina. What makes the Luyi so strong in this specific composition as we take a look at the highlights?
Alam mo, hindi lang sa ganitong composition magiging malakas yung Luyi. I would say Luyi is such a strong mid laner right now in this meta, mostly because of the fact yung mga ganitong plays na hindi natin ine-expect, ito yung pagpapatong-patong ng skills. Tignan nyo, magta-target dito si Few kay Yue, tapos Renner's Apathy ang tatama kay Domeng. What a layering of skill. Ganito yung confidence na napapakita natin ng Falcons AP Bren na every single time may clash, sila yung panalo.
Ito yung yung world champ strat. Yung tipo na yung lakad pa lang alam mo na kaya talaga nilang labanan kahit sino. And in this game number 1, tempo setter to eh. Ito yung tinatawag nating game 1 na nagsisimula talaga ng timpla ng serye. So ito yung medyo mahirap na part para sa Aurora MLBB. Ang unang panimula ng Falcons AP Bren for them is a Luyi game. Ngayon kailangan mo nang isipin, bubuksan pa ba natin yung Luyi na yan for the rest of the series?
Kasi kapag hindi mo binuksan yung Luyi, ma-open yung gatot, ma-open yung fan.